Jina ni Jamlek Kabuba. What I do natengeneza CNC machines. CNC machine inamaanisha computer numeric control. Basically ni machine yenye una design kitu kwa computer inai make it kwa real life. Nilikuwa natafuta tool yenye inaweza nisaidia ku ease burden ya kukata, because I used to struggle so much looking for place ningekatiwa, like even a simple sako hivyo kukatiwa used to be a problem. So I needed a tool that could help me actualize my ideas. The entire idea started from YouTube, from seeing YouTube videos of CNC, and I was like, I think I can build something like this. We actually met in university campus. We were in the same university, J Quartz. Then so when I started building CNC, I would say she kind of saw the dream when no one else could. Actually, how I built the first machine was pretty funny. So I actually used to buy scrapped printers. From printers, I would actually get the motors out of printers because I actually realized I needed the motors and they were a bit expensive. I couldn't actually afford them. After a while, I had accumulated enough such that now I could move to the next thing.
If you buy the machine, there's a whole lot of things that you can do with CNC. Starting with, for example, 3D signages, like the total naivas hizo zenye mnaonaga zimenadili kubwa kubwa, kuchonga, kuengrave, kukata chuma, office signages, milango, watches. The machine that we ventured, the big machine, the commercial machine, we were mainly targeting people who have a bit of cash, you know? So our goal of wanting to inspire, it's like we had run away from it because now we were just producing machine as a normal China. You're getting? Targeting people who have money who can also import. You're getting? For like someone who's just done with school, or they don't even have maybe money to go to college or something of the sort, I don't expect them to have that 800,000 to be able to afford buying that machine and also even setting up the place to put the machine. So that's how we actually came back to making these smaller machines, where we are mainly targeting schools and small scale traders. Yeah, someone who is just
Youth.
Actually, our biggest inspiration is the youth and the schools. So you can come to kufunze. Yeah, on top of it, you see, we're making the machines. So we also need people to operate those machines, Nona, because we actually thinking of expanding, Nona. But making the machine, I can either sell it ama naeza iweka somewhere ikwepia inanitengenezea dough, unaona. So nikikuwa na hawa, if you come through us to kufunza inanili, kuna opportunity of also job employment.